We just received some fantastic feedback with a glowing 5-star review, and now comes the fun part, sharing it with you. We're happy to say this is just one of many. This is a powerful testament to our policies and procedures that always ensures a 5-star experience with us. As you can see, we truly pay attention to everyone's needs and put them first each and every time, and the feedback keeps coming in to prove it. So whether you're somebody we haven't seen in a while or new to us, we value everyone new and old and treat them equally with great service. Our door is always open to answer any questions you might have, so please don't hesitate. Call us today at the number on your screen.